Today we are making lamb shish kebabs with Babganhouge dip and barbecued potatoes. First, I'm making the lamb shish kebabs. We need 2 kilos of diced lamb, 20 bamboo skewers and salt for flavouring. First step, you need to get a skewer and get the diced lamb. Because it's cooked on the barbecue, make sure you leave 5 centimeters away from the end so you can easily turn it. So you just easily thread through, it's easily thread through the skewer. You continue to do this. Should be about 5 or 6 lamb diced on the skewer. Make sure they're evenly spread out so when you cook them, it's nice and easier for the person to actually eat. So you just put your hand through and squash them through. So this is my first skewer. Make sure it's all evenly spread out. Then you get the salts. As you get the salt, make sure spread the salt around everywhere, just for a bit of a flavouring. Make sure it's everywhere. Make sure it gets every single thing gets a bit. And just lay it out on the tray. Just continue to do this till it serves how many people you need. Here's our 20 skewers that we've made. Now they're all salted. Now what you do, you just need to put Glad wrap over them and put them in the fridge so they don't dry up before you start cooking. Just make sure everything's covered, and then they're ready for cooking. Now it's time to prepare the potatoes. I've got 7 people in my family, so I'm preparing 7 potatoes. So you need 7 washed potatoes, and you need to peel them. So just removing all the skin, make sure nothing's on it so it's good on the barbecue. You finish this one, now you just put it in the water and do the rest. Now you just got to cut the potatoes in slices so it's good for the barbecue. Like one, ready to go for the barbecue. Just put them in a bowl of water. We're now going to make Babganhouge, which is an eggplant dip. We've already cooked these in the barbecue, so now it's going to peel them and then mash them. So you just got to get all the black charcoal stuff off. Make sure it's all off because it's not nice to eat. Get this all out. Just be a bit floppy, nothing nice. Now that's ready for mashing. Now we just got to mash the eggplant. Just later on we'll add some lemon and garlic. Make sure it's all good. And that's what it should look like there. Now we just got to squeeze 1 lemon. Just get it, all the juice out. So we can put it in the Babganhouge, add some flavour. Get it on there. Get the juice out. There you go. Now we've got a clove of garlic here. Just add some salt, just a pinch of salt. Now we're going to squash it, just smash it. Finish the garlic up, mix it through. That's how it's meant to look like, if you can see. Now we're just going to add everything into the Babganhouge, the actual eggplant. Okay, so this away. We're going to get a spoon. So you tip all the garlic in. Now you're going to get the lemon and dip it in. There you go. Now you're going to get tahini, which you can find at your local grocer or a Lebanese shop if you can't find it there. Woolworths normally sell them. You get a couple of spoons, 2 or 3, depends. I'm going to use 2 here. There's 1. There's 2. Now we're going to mix it through. Just coming through. Keep going until it's nice and clear, nice and smooth. Now it's mixed through. Just taste it, see what it tastes like. Now mine just a bit more salt, so add salt according to taste. There it is, barbequed ready. Now I'm going to make tomato and cucumber salad. First you're going to cut up the tomatoes and the cucumber. Put your fingers, nothing. Yep. Put it straight down. Last one, whoops. The cucumbers cut in small circles, just cut them in half, half again. Now that the tomato and tomatoes are cut up, so cucumber and tomatoes are cut up, sorry, you need to add a pinch of salt and a bit of oil. And there's your salad. Just mix it through. Make sure you have clean hands. Done.